Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to claim the invitation bonus on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, download and install the Cash App on your phone. Once the app is installed, open it and create a new account using your phone number or email address. After creating your account, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now, scroll down and select the option that says Enter Referral Code. Type in your friend's invite code exactly as they gave it to you. This step must be completed within 14 days of signing up, or you will not be eligible for the bonus. After entering the referral code, you need to send at least $5 to another Cash App user. It can be anyone, a friend, family member, or even the person who invited you. This transaction is required to trigger the bonus reward. Once you've sent $5 or more, both you and your friend will receive a bonus. The amount usually ranges from $5 to $15, depending on the current promotion. Keep in mind that timing is important. All steps, signing up, entering the code, and sending the money, must be done within the first 14 days. So that's basically how you can claim the invitation bonus on Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.